What if I told you a man actually ate an entire airplane? Meet Michel Lotito from France. He literally consumed a whole Cessna 150 aircraft piece by piece. It took him 2 years to finish the entire plane, eating about 2 pounds of metal every day. He would break down the metal into small pieces, mix it with mineral oil, and just eat it. His stomach was twice as thick as normal humans, which let him digest glass, metal, and rubber without dying. He also ate 18 bicycles, 15 shopping carts, and even a coffin. Guinness World Records officially recognized him as the man with the strangest diet ever. Follow for more people who broke every rule of human biology.